So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can prepare your iPhone for iOS 27 update. So first of all, make sure you have iPhone 12 or any latest iPhone. iPhone older than iPhone 12 will not get iOS 27 update. Next, back up your iPhone. For this, connect your iPhone to your Mac via USB cable. Now after this, open the Finder on your Mac. Now here scroll down and on the left pane, click on your iPhone. Now here scroll down. Now click on Backup Now. Now click on Don't Encrypt. And this will start creating a backup of your iPhone. Now make sure you do this before the update. Next, make sure you have at least 15 GB free storage on your iPhone. To check it, open the Settings app. Now here tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Now here you will see Available Storage. Now make sure at least 15 GB storage is free. If not, then delete older photos and apps you no longer use. Next, make sure your iPhone is charged to at least 50%. Don't update your iPhone if it's below 50%. Also, install the developer beta update on secondary iPhone. Don't install the update on your main iPhone, as the update will have lot of bugs and will be unstable to use. So this way can prepare your iPhone for iOS 26. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.